Alright, so we finally installed our soldier. We just took raised our corner post. Now we need to work for our sill. I'm gonna use some mortar to remove the old mark that's on the corner post, and afterwards we're gonna measure to see what's the number that we have to work in order to reach up to the sill after we install our soldier course. And always make sure that you rub it off. Clean, you don't want to have no mortar onto your post. Now we need to check for our measurement. So I'm gonna measure 3 3/4. Mark it right here, and now we need to measure from our bricks right up to our mark to see the number that we have to work in order to reach up here for our sills. So here it says 2. So we need to mark 2 on our corner post in order to reach right here. So that way we can install our sill without have to do any cuts. So now I'm gonna mark 2 on my corner post. Once you follow all these marks that we're putting on the post, you should reach right up to the level for your window sills. Once you reach up to the window sill, then you're gonna take another measurement to try and reach up to the top of your window. The line up. Usually right on top of the soldier course, the first or the second course, you want to have a lot of brick ties. We already installed our brick ties. Alright, so after we work our way close up to the window, 1 brick before you reach the sill, you want to install a flashing. So we're going to go ahead and install our flashing right on top of our brick now. Usually I like to pass around 4 or 5 inches from my window pass over. Just going to staple that in place. Alright, so now that we have that in place, we need to tape our seam. We're gonna go ahead and tape our seam. The tie is gonna come right over this one here, but I'm just gonna wait until I install my sill, then I install more tie. Need to tape right underneath the window bottom here. Yeah, we need to do the same thing down at the other window down there. Right, so now that we install our flashing, we're gonna go 1 more course, and this is the course where you want to install your weeper. We're gonna put 1 of our weeper here. Put 1 of the weeper right here, guys. Purpose of those weeper, if there's any water or escape and go at the back there, it will run right through these weeper and come out. Very important. Guys, I thought I was recording, but obviously not. You know the gist. We just install our sills. Now we're gonna check for level. After we check for level, we're gonna put our line right out to the edge. Make sure that all three sills are in line with each other. Now it's telling me that these ones wanna go in a bit. This is good where she is. So it's level where it is now. I just need to check for slope. I'll check for slope. Slope is good. Slope is also good here. Beautiful. Now I'm going to clear the mortar from underneath. Yeah man, I think it's nice. Alright, so we're way up in the here guys. Now we're gonna finish the last window here. We're gonna install our angle line. Just rest it on the wall and then after we're gonna go down with it. Alright, so now that I have it here, I'm going to get my level. Put my level, make sure the water is right in the middle. That simple means she's level. Now I'm just going to install my flashing. Now we can go ahead and taper our seam. Don't want no water to go in there. It's very important for you to make sure that you tape it up properly. Okay, so now we need to build a lead here, so we need to bring this up. Some cases and some job they have like one brick pass, but for this one they're going straight up, so we're just following the pattern of the existing windows and door. That's how they do it, so that's how we're gonna do it here. We need to fill in here. We're just gonna fill it up with mortar. Make sure that you have it plumb. Now we need to do the same thing over the other end, over there. Now I'm checking for plumb. Very crucial for here to make sure this is 100% plumb. All right, so now we need to measure here to see what size joint we need to work.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
I'm gonna put a weeper right here.
And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that's what keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more coming videos like this one. If you have any form of masonry, brick, stone, block, you name it, reach out to us at 1kbconstruction.com for a free consultation. I'll see you over there.